Datamonitrix is a secure, password-protected platform for storing, managing, and analyzing your nitrate and nitrite data. It can be accessed directly from your PC. The portal can be accessed with an email and password after following easy registration steps. Once the portal has been accessed, the home page loads. The home page of the workspace provides access to different menus, the user settings, as well as an overview of the analyzers available within the workspace. In the unit list, we have the analyzers by their name, the site they are installed in, the last time the data was updated in the portal, the number of alarms available, if any, the latest nitrate concentrations, and a link to access the specific analyzer. Also, we can have a look at the average nitrate and nitrite concentrations of each analyzer. To be able to see the overall data monitored by the analyzers, we can access the history of the analyzers. This will provide two plots of all the analyzers available in the workspace. In these plots, we see every single nitrate and nitrite measurement taken by each of the analyzers plotted across time. These plots allow for selecting a specific dates of data we're interested in. The data can be plotted by day, week, or month. For example, we can change from 1 month to 2 weeks. These will automatically update the plots. Also, there is a second option, which is select between dates. By clicking on the calendar, we will get a drag bar where we can change the dates we are looking for, or a drop-down menu is also available. These plots not only provide information on the nitrate and nitrite data, but also on temperature and humidity where the analyzer is installed. To change the concentrations reported to temperature, we can just click on the drop-down menu. This will change, and this can be seen for all analyzers. These plots also have an interactive y-axis. Since each analyzer will have different concentrations being reported, the y-axis allows for increasing or decreasing the values in the y-axis to zoom in into those smaller values compared to other analyzers. Within the home screen, we can access a specific analyzer. For example, this one, all we have to do is click on the open link. This will open a second tab on your browser, which will provide more details of the specific analyzer selected within the workspace. In that case, we get an overview information in relation to the name, the updates as seen in the table in the home screen. We have different tabs for different functionalities within Datamonitrix, including a list of alarms, if any, and the settings. In the settings, we can change the frequency in which the analyzer is taking a sample, as well as the thresholds. These thresholds, which can be seen down here, will allow for alarms to be triggered. Once the threshold is set, any concentration below or above the set threshold will create an alarm within Datamonitrix to raise awareness that specific thresholds have been reached. These thresholds can be set as low or as high, and they can be severe or caution. Also, within this unit detail menu, we have the dashboard, which will open a pop-up window. This pop-up window provides us with all the data points provided by the analyzer, both for nitrate and nitrite. As seen in the history, it also has a selector period, so it can be changed from 1 week to 1 month. Also, we have the dials in which the latest nitrate and nitrite concentration taken by the analyzer are presented. The dials will change color in a traffic-like form based on the threshold set. To double check the thresholds, this button can be clicked and the thresholds will appear. Also, outside the concentrations, and the dials, we also have a list of analyzer alarms. These alarms are in relation to the performance of the analyzer and its status. For example, if there was a low level of eluent, this alarm would be triggered, or if there was a leak within the system that could cause damage, this alarm would also be triggered. The data can not only be visualized and plotted, but it can also be downloaded. To do so, we need to select any data point within, for example, the nitrate plot, and access the More Options button, which is this 3 icon. We'll be able to click on that and then click on Export Data. On clicking Exporting Data, a new pop-up window will appear. It will allow you to choose what format you want to download your file, and then we can click on Export Data. A pop-up window will appear, checking where you want to store your data if it's the first time you've downloaded the data. And then if we access the downloaded file, it will appear with all the information within that selected time period. Within the file, we'll be able to find the timestamp, so when the sample was taken, the name of the unit that took the sample, the run index, which is the analysis number, as well as the nitrate concentrations. These can also be done with the nitrite concentrations. To do so, we just need to refresh the screen, allow for the dashboard to load once again. Once the dashboard has been loaded, we can select our period of interest again and repeat the process once updated by clicking on the nitrate graph instead. Besides the dashboard and access and interaction with the analyzers and the data produced by them, we also have the user list. The user list provides information to the administrator with all the users that have access within this workspace. There's 4 different roles that users can be given with more or less accessibility to different uses of Datamonitrix. Also, in relation to the users, we have the distribution list. This allows to select which users within the workspace will receive an alarm when a specific thresholds are triggered.